How to make a smooth velocity edit on CapCut. First, go to CapCut and create a new project. Then add your video. Crop the video to where there is a little bit of space at the top and a bigger space at the bottom. Export it. Then go to the app called SCO. Next, click on your video, then press Edit and Try Out. Then go to the second thing at the bottom and click Speed. Put the speed to however slow you like it. I chose 0. Then Screen Record. Once you're done, go back to CapCut. Add your slow-mo. Crop the video to size. Then add your audio. Split your video at the beat drop. Then split your video the first beat and make the clip a few seconds long. Next, change the speed of that clip to 8.0x. Then do this to every other beat. Then crop your video length at the end. Click on the last clip, go to Animations, Out, and click Fade Out. Then at the first clip, click Effects, Video Effects, and Camera Focus to. Click on Adjust and change the blur how you like it. Also change speed to 0. Then shorten the clip and copy until the first split. This is optional, but I'd go to Adjust, then change the Sharpen to 100 and apply it to all clips. Now you're done.